Hello my dear NEET aspirants, I am D. Aditya Chandan from the channel UG NEET Unfolded. So today I will be explaining a physics question from 2018 NEET. This question is from the chapter Current Electricity of 12th. This question may look easy, but the concept behind this question is very vast. So the given question is, there is a set of n equal resistors with the value R are connected in series to a battery of EMF E, and the internal resistance of the battery is given as R. The current drawn from this circuit, that is the arrangement, is I. Now the n resistors are again connected in parallel with the same battery. So then the current drawn from the battery becomes 10I. The value of n: first option 20, second option 11, third option 10, and the fourth option is 9. As there are two cases in the question, I am going to explain this question in two parts. That is, the first part is the n equal resistors of value R each are connected in series. The series arrangement is as follows. Let this be the first resistor R1, second resistor R2, third resistor R3, and so on. The nth resistor Rn. The equivalent resistance for this combination is R equivalent equals to R1 plus R2 plus R3 plus and so on plus Rn. This is the formula for deriving equivalent resistance when unknown resistors are connected in series. When known resistors of value R each are connected in series, then the R equivalent becomes R equivalent equals to R plus R plus R plus and so on plus Rn. The formula for deriving R equivalent when n equal resistors of value R each are connected in series. So we can simply write this equation as R equivalent equals to NR. As there are n resistors, R equivalent becomes NR. Now the second case of the question is, the same n equal resistors are connected in parallel to the same battery having the internal resistance capital R. So the parallel arrangement is as follows. Let this be the first resistor R1, the second resistor R2, the third resistor R3. Let's connect these. Before connecting to them, there is the last resistor Rn. Now let's connect these. Here a junction forms. From this junction a battery will be connected of EMF E. So the current goes to this junction and divides here as I1, I2, I3 and so on, IN, and here also I1, I2, I3. So here these currents join together and again come out as I. So the R equivalent resistance, that is the equivalent resistance for this arrangement, is 1 by R equivalent equals to 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2 plus 1 by R3 plus and so on plus 1 by Rn. So when n equal resistors are connected in parallel, 1 by R equivalent becomes 1 by R plus 1 by R plus 1 by R plus and so on plus 1 by R. This is the last resistor, that is the nth resistor. Now we can simply write R equivalent as N by R, because there are n resistors connected in parallel, n equal resistors connected in parallel. This is the reciprocal of R equivalent. Now let's take the reciprocal of 1 by R equivalent, that becomes the original value R equivalent equals to R by N. So this here is the formula to derive the R equivalent, that is the equivalent resistance for resistors which are arranged in parallel. In the first case, the n equal resistors are connected in series to a battery of EMF E. The current drawn from the arrangement is I, the EMF of the battery is E, and the resistance of the arrangement is NR. So there is also an extra additional resistance, that is the internal resistance of the battery. So here the battery is connected in series with the arrangement. So the equivalent resistance can also be written as NR plus the internal resistance of the battery. This is the R equivalent resistance for the first case. So from Ohm's law, the formula is given by, for Ohm's law the formula is given by V equals to IR. V is also taken as E. E is nothing but the EMF of the battery. So indirectly we can write the formula as E equals to IR. E equals to I into R equivalent. This is for the first case. So from this we get I equals to E by R equivalent. Here the EMF is nothing but E, just E, whereas R equivalent is NR plus R. We have just derived this in the previous discussions. So for the first case, I becomes E by NR plus R. Let's take it as first equation. Now in the second case, the current drawn from the arrangement is 10I. The arrangement is again connected to the same battery of EMF E, and the resistance, that is the equivalent resistance that we derived from the previous discussions, is R equivalent equals to R by N. And there is also the extra additional resistance of the battery, that is the internal resistance, which is also connected in series with the arrangement. So we can just write it down as R equivalent becomes R by N plus R. So the formula becomes V equals to IR, E equals to I into R equivalent of the second case. So E equals to I. The current drawn from the arrangement is 10I. R is nothing but R equivalent, that is R by N plus R. So 10I becomes E by R by N plus R. This here is the second equation. By dividing the second equation with the first one, that is 10I by I equals to E by R by N plus R by E by NR plus R. So he and E gets cancelled, I and I gets cancelled. So 10 equals to 1 by, let's take R common here, R into 1 plus 1 by N by, and here also let's take R common, N plus 1 into R. So as this is the reciprocal of N plus 1 into R, when it comes to the top it becomes 10 equals to N plus 1 into R by R into 1 plus 1 by N. So R gets cancelled. Now let's add this 1 plus 1 by N. 1 plus 1 by N becomes N plus 1 by N by cross multiplication. So 10 equals to N plus 1 by N plus 1 by N. So N plus 1 gets cancelled. 10 equals to 1 by 1 by n. Reciprocal of 1 by n is nothing but n. n equals to 10. So from the given options, third option is given as 10. So our correct option is 10. The derived answer is 10.